Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Explained. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how can someone view a catalog on SuperStylist game. So let's get started. First of all, open the SuperStylist app on your device. Here, tap on the book-like icon that's on the bottom of the screen. Now wait for some time. You might also have to wait for some time and cancel the ad that appears. Once you successfully skip the ad, you can find different fashion catalogs for different magazines. Tap on each poster to view different catalog. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you'll never miss another gaming update.